Good morning and welcome to Year 4 Spelling for this week. We're going to use the video as always to introduce the spelling pattern for this week. We are going to be continuing our focus on prefixes. Firstly, I want you to discuss what a prefix is. In fact, rather than discuss, press pause, have a little think about it, say it out loud to the computer screen. You should know what a prefix is by now because it has been our focus since Easter. So pause the video while you talk and press play when you're ready to continue. Okay, remember, a prefix is something that we add to the beginning of a word to create another word that might have a different meaning. For example, this morning I've got possible up on the screen. And if I add the word "im" to the front of it, it turns the word on its head. It turns it into an opposite meaning. So if something is possible, we could do that. If it is impossible, there's no way it can be done. So that "im" means not possible. This week, we're going to be looking at the prefix non. Okay, what happens when we put non in front of a word? This prefix usually means no or not. So what I want you to do for your normal 5 minutes challenge, can you try with your adult, think of as many words that have non in front of them as possible. Okay, and of course you have the 5 minutes to do it. Press pause while you complete your challenge and then play when you're ready to resume. Okay, these are your spelling words for this week. Did you have any of these in those words that you came up with? Did you find any others that I haven't included in our spelling list for this week? We've got up there a range of those words and you've got to be knowing what those words mean this week. Okay, so if you didn't have all these words, perhaps talk with an adult when the video's finished. What might these words mean? Get a dictionary out if you need it. Use an online dictionary if you need to. However you want to do it, it's your choice, but you need to know what these words mean and what when they're used. The spelling task for this week, and we've got the complete the look, cover, write check, which gives you the practice of learning to spell those words. You've got writing sentences that use the spelling words in context. This will prove that you understand what the words mean. Could you use any Alan Peat style sentences? Could you add commas to make the sentences more complex? Third task there is complete the word search. And 4, can you complete the spelling word chart? Now the spelling word chart activity is a little bit tricky in places. It's asking you to think about what root words might be. So have a little look at it, see what you can do, and try and get as much of it completed during the week as you possibly can. Hope you have a good week and get on well with the spellings, and I'll see you next week.